Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to change theme in a Squarespace. So guys, first thing what you will do is of course go to your Squarespace account and go to your website. And now in order for you to change the theme, just simply go to the top right corner of the screen and you should be able to see here the brush icon guys, which is the site styles. So click on that. And from here guys, upside tab will show up and you should be able to see here themes. So just simply click on themes guys, and now from here you should be able to change it into multiple categories, and you will have professional, playful, sophisticated, friendly, and bold, and the others as well if we scroll down further. So guys, from here pretty much you will have a freedom to choose your theme. So let's say I'm gonna go for sophisticated with a dark brown theme. And as you can see, it will automatically change, including the heading, the colors for your website, the buttons as well, and the forms, and you can see the others over here as well. And that's simply about it. Once you are done, guys, you can just simply click on save on the top left corner of the screen in order for you to save the changes. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.